Hey everybody, it's 10:20 and 7 seconds on November 27th. This is the mini number 1 for Tomb of Dracula 10. Over here on the left are the 15 filled spots. Okay, what's going to happen is whoever comes in first place in this mini will get the first 4 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the next 2 open spots in the main. The spots are filled in order of availability. People like Brody, Isaac, Justin that have multiple spots, you could come in first and second and win the first, all 6 spots. That goes without saying. But let's try and state the obvious. Lucky number 7. Best of luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here comes the final one. 7. Isaac Shepard gets the first 4. Brody Stokely gets the next 2. Time is 10:21